Drought can be very dehumanizing. It breeds poverty. And there's no dignity in poverty. So as we fight drought, we are also bringing dignity to these communities. We need to really continue pulling together. Humanitarian assistance is only a stopgap measure. Our manifesto recognizes that an estimated 2 million households, that is 1 in 6, are food poor. The vast majority of these are farmers. We believe that support to farmers to raise productivity would not only enable them to feed themselves, but also generate a surplus that contributes to national food security and the economy. Some of these farmers are in our arid and semi-arid regions, where the main production systems are livestock keeping and mixed farming. We are therefore taking proactive action to put in place long-term measures that will address the challenges posed by cyclic drought.